The captain back here at base will be ready to help us search for Atlantis via the radio comms link in your cell. There could also be amazing tropical fish, exotic maze, and sharks.
Welcome, explorers. I'm the captain here at Deep Sea Adventure HQ. I will be your guide on today's mission. Take a seat with your fellow recruits and let's see what we discover.
Thanks for joining us on our mission today. There's incredible fish, sea creatures, and treasure out here in the deep. We're going to have a whale of a time. Over and out.
Hold on to your bricks, recruits. We're ready to dive. We are now in the coral cave.
Hey, recruits! Check out all of the colorful corals around you. Fun fact, coral reefs form the home for hundreds or even thousands of sea creatures, all living together. Reefs are home to 1/4 of all marine life. In fact, corals are sea creatures too, called polyps. They're usually found in these kind of tropical waters.
Our systems are showing we're right on track to find Atlantis. We're off to a flying fish stop.
Sharks have been on the earth longer than dinosaurs.
Don't forget about the cow-nosed stingrays. They're pretty cool too. They swim in groups and use their wings to kick up the sand and find hidden food.
Brace yourselves, explorers. We're approaching Atlantis. Yay! Yes! Yippee!
Okay.
And real sharks and real fish.
Those are big like that.
It's like real fish. There's three. Oh.
Oh wow, look at the size of that fish. Not much.
Whoa! That was amazing!
Awesome job, team!
It's been fun sharing the amazing secrets of the ocean with you.
Now, let me check my remote systems to see how many amazing creatures you spotted. Whoa! Make sure to stop by our care facility as you exit HQ and learn about the creatures up close with our dive team and marine experts. It's time to head back up. Time to collect your belongings. Disembark.
with Amy, we trade like a minimum of 20 badges like each way.
Oh, it makes it worthwhile for you that way,
But
yeah.
she's really good. She found him the gold Fortnite last.